am very excited about today's video because we are spending some time in a very special place to me. A place that we have worked incredibly hard to get to the point of where it's at now. My dear viewers, welcome to my garden. So, there are no dinosaurs in my garden. I wish there were, that'd be pretty cool, but alas, no dinosaurs. What we do have though is lots of plots of empty soil that desperately are begging to be filled with some kind of greenery. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna be going out and finding some foliage to spruce up this place. Get it? Spruce? But first I think we need to do a little tour of how it's looking so far. First stop of the tour, this is the herb garden. Oregano, some chives, some rosemary, some lavender. We had some thyme. Time's gone, time's dead. We actually recently used some of this. We made some pizzas from scratch and we put a little bit of the oregano on the pizzas. Delicious. Oh, Fuji, no. Fuji, no. This is my other problem right now. We have these beautiful, lovely grass plants growing and Fuji just cannot get enough of them. This one, look at this. It's dead. That's all Fuji's work, that is. No. Fuji. The criminal returns to the scene of the crime. I've spent so much time and money on this. Other than this, though, it's looking really nice. We've got some nice colors here. We've got greens, purples, reds. It needs to like grow into itself. This is my olive tree. It has not yet produced an olive. Apparently it takes 7 years. The guy who sold this to me was not upfront about that. I'll wait. Oh, you think I won't wait? Check back in 7 years. I will be eating an olive in this garden. The foxes are eating the mushrooms. We're getting a lot of mushrooms growing in this garden. This is a nice pair, I think. These guys, they complement each other. It's like the Mario to the Luigi, you know? They're both green, so it's kind of like Luigi and Luigi. And that brings us up to the central part of the garden, which, other than mushrooms growing out of the ground, nothing's really happening here. There's a hole right here that the foxes have dug, and Fuji is using it as a passageway into the other garden. I don't know if you can see this, but there are these sort of faint, ancient runic markings from civilizations past. I don't know where these came from, so we will be painting over that as well. More empty plots that need to be filled up. The most important thing is Fuji loves it. Don't you, Fuji? Look at that parkour cat. I've got a spider on my shoulder. Stop. Get the fuck out. Nature's all over me, man. This is not technically ours, but it looks nice and it comes over the fence. I didn't pay for that tree, and I'm benefiting from it? That feels illegal. I got this one recently, it's really nice. It's kind of growing sideways. Do I need to prop it up with a bamboo, maybe? We have the gnomes under the tree that keep falling over. There you go, friends. This is Fuji's old tree. This tree has not survived, unfortunately. The reason we keep it, though, is because Fuji loves scratching on it and flying off of it and swinging around, and that's the garden so far. Hello. All right, let's get going to some garden centers and get some greenery to get this place prospering. PJ the Petit Jardinier out. Let's go! Candy Mint, Jelly King, Louisa, Prairie Fire. This is so pleasing. I just want all of them. Can we get one of each? Do not eat.
But I'm so hungry.
Don't eat the prunus. We're plotting out where we might put some stuff. This area is currently full. Put something like this in this corner.
Or
in this corner.
there.
It could go over here. It's Johnny Acorn. Huh. Only 4,000. Common name, dogwood. Most very easy to grow in a reasonable garden soil. You don't need a greenhouse, but it's quite fun to look at the greenhouses as well. It's so cozy in here. This could be a place to work. What are you gonna do about it? Welcome to the game zone. This is where sometimes I just kick back, relax, sit in my rocker, and game. Never stop rolling, skate hard, or go home. Can we get one, Sophie, please? Please, can we get a dragon?
question I do have, can that get in the car?
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely gonna fit in the car.
You want one more?
So I don't have the biggest car in the world. That's fine. That's great. So, we've come out to a second garden center. Yes, second. PJ, are you out of your mind? No, I'm not. The other place is really good for getting plants and stuff. But this place is really good for getting lunch. And we are hungry. We're gonna get a little lunch, maybe look around, see if there's any other plants we wanna get, even though the car's a little bit full.
Cheese man.
The cheese man.
Oh my God, it's the cheese man.
Cheese man's in town. Let's go. Gone. This is an active crime scene. There is no sweet.
Oh, here he goes.
We are back now. This is our plant haul. These are all the plants we scored. Lots of really nice stuff. Some ferns, some grasses, a couple of trees. This one in particular is very nice. A couple of them were on offer as well, so we saved a bit of money. Fuji's also already taking a liking to them, so I think we made some good choices. I'm gonna get changed now, and then we can work on getting these bad boys in the ground. Cool. Gloves on. Let's go. First order of business is to figure out where everything goes. So this big one, that's a shady spot. He gone in the box? This has been a very lonely patch for a while, so it's quite nice to finally have something to go here. There we go, yes, there we go, okay. Successful pot removal. You live here now. Small and unassuming for now, but he will grow. All of these guys have got to go in the ground. Are you gonna be tricky or are you gonna be sweet to me? There we go. Nice and easy. Out he comes.
You're going in the hole for a long time, mate. You're gonna think about what you've done.
I like this guy. It kind of looks cel-shaded. It looks like a cartoon. Yeah. A bit of a woo. Okay. You wanna buy some pots? And there we go, done, garden complete. Actually, no it's not. We've still got a lot of work to do, but it's gonna take quite a lot of time. I think the thing that I have learned with gardening is this kind of thing takes a long time and you just got to chip away at it bit by bit. So that's what today was, a little bit of chipping away. This garden has been on quite a journey. This year in particular, we've been working on rebuilding it and doing it up because before it was so overgrown and chaotic. This garden was majorly neglected for like 20 years. So we're really just trying to make it a nice, peaceful place to be, embracing my inner Stardew Valley farmer. I think my ultimate mission is to grow at least one sweet potato, then I will be happy. Other than that, we're just gonna keep improving it, paint the walls, paint the fences, plant more crops for Fuji to destroy. Thank you so much for joining me today in my gardening adventures. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. It was really fun for me to make. Also, give this video a cheeky like and subscribe for more videos. Hey Fuji, thanks for being in the video today. You did great. You know that bit in The Simpsons where Homer has that poster in his office that says, "Do it for her"? We do this for her.